Hi guys, my name is Aftab and today we will learn how to configure payment gateways in Magento 2. And guys, thank you so much. Your I receive your comments and I see your many users subscribe me. Thanks a lot, and definitely I improve my topics and add some customization, theming, and admins. So thanks for suggestion. I definitely add some new projects in Magento 2. So guys, today we will learn how to add payment gateways in Magento 2, right? So click here, username and password. Okay guys, so enter here and going to configuration. So click on store and configuration, right? And this is sales. This is a part of sales, right? And here is see no not shipping. We are talking about here. This is also shipping details, but here we need payment gateways, right? So see guys, this is many type of payment gateways, right? On front end, click on any product. Okay, okay, click on here, product, and select a size and color, and click on add to card. Okay, this is added, and click to proceed to checkout. Okay, and here is enter start testing and testing if you need to enter your username, email ID, and password is after Alvin, and company name for testing. And here is New Delhi, Delhi, and country is India, right? So 10020 password and mobile number is 1224678. State Delhi, right? And enter. Guys, here you can enter anything as per your country. So enter here. And guys, here see only on check money order, right? We have lots of here, so click on here cash on delivery. So this is yes, and title cash on delivery yes, order status pending yes, allow country all right. And you can set also minimum order and maximum order quantity, total volume, and ordering or status also. So here is save, right? And refresh here, see our COD enable or not. So guys, see this is cash on delivery is enabled, and same other things also here. We need for purchase order, we need for payment, right? This is also enabled, yes. And this one also enabled, yes. Save this here, save and refresh this. So the guys see this is payment transfer and purchase order. This is all of enable here. So guys, this type of enable your payment gateways as per your requirement or as per your contract of payment gateways, right? So as per your country, you need to enable here payment gateways, and also enable here configure your payment with PayPal. You can add your API secret key and password username here as get on from PayPal, right? So you can enable all of here, right? So thank you so much guys for watching. If you have any problem about payment configuration, any type of payment gateways, please let me know. I'll definitely revert your comments. And thanks for watching. and please don't forget for subscribe. Thank you so much.